Sure we had fun tonight. You and me felt alright. But it's time you pick up your phone. You won't be worth my while. Me and you won't work out. Pick it up, pack it up, get a cab and go. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. Cause I got a rule.
Guys, welcome back. It's another day. I'm not okay. I'm not fine. My skin is breaking out. Like acne is doing jumping jacks on my skin. Like every single day when I wake up, there's a new pimple. I don't know what's wrong. I also don't have my acne prone foam wash from Cetaphil, the one that I use. Skin routine is still the same, except that I changed my niacinamide. The one I'm currently using is not from The Ordinary anymore. It's from Skin Functional. Maybe it's that. Maybe it's because I'm in a new country, different country. Maybe it's the environment. Maybe it's the weather. Maybe it's what I ate. At this point, I honestly don't know. I still look pretty though, right? Right? Anyways, guys, good morning. I'm going to make pancakes for the family. They like pancakes. They love waffles. Always made this during lockdown, like that intense lockdown in 2020. That was like one job. I was cooking all the time, and I actually enjoyed it because, you know, sometimes family thinks you can't cook, but then you can cook. So now you have to show them what you can do. That's exactly what I was doing. So I'm gonna go quickly make pancakes. I just brushed my teeth, washed my face, but I didn't apply anything on my face because I don't know what to apply. I don't know what's causing this. So I wish I had shea butter because that always does the trick. So I'll just apply my moisturizer. I'm not even gonna tone or anything because I need these to dry out. I also can't wear makeup. But yeah, I've been really enjoying doing nothing. I'm not going to lie. I have been enjoying waking up and doing nothing, because when I was in SA, the last couple of months were hectic. I was always tired. I always had something to do every day. If it wasn't my normal job, it was Instagram related, or it was this, or it was other errands of just being alive, your daily adulting life. I got tired. So waking up, to bath, to eat, to rest, to do whatever I want, I've been enjoying it. But anyways, let me go make pancakes. So I actually took the flapjack mix instead of the pancake mix, but it's still okay. It makes 32 flapjacks, so 18 waffles. That's a lot. That is a lot. I can't use all of it. That's a lot. This is easy, guys. I think anyone can use this to make pancakes or flapjacks or what's this? Waffles. Your job, the only job you have, is to make sure that you don't bend anything. What you are going to need is this focus phone, not phone, camera. I always say focus phone. I may use this one actually for movies. I really like it, but I don't think it's enough for everyone in the house. It's also quite simple. These are the how to, or what you need to add. It's literally the same thing, but yeah, it doesn't make 32. Does it make 32? It does. I mixed 2 eggs, a little bit of milk and oil, mixed it together, then mixed it with the dry ingredient. When you start getting the bubbles, it may just be time for you to turn it over, but let's just wait a little bit and get more bubbles. Bubbles. Perfecto. This way I won't get bored. So I'll hold on to hold on to my heart. It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You Damn. So I didn't clean the fruit drawer and the vegetable drawer. I'm going to end with them, so now I'm just cleaning these other shelves because I feel like if I just take everything out, it's gonna look like it's a lot of work, and I don't think I'm ready for that. No, I'm not. So that's why I'm using this sponge, and then when I'm done, I'm just gonna go over with a clean towel. First with the damp towel, then a clean one, then yeah. And this is also by far one of my favorite sauces, guys. This Nando's black pepper sauce, hi, it's the one. It bangs. I don't know why there's two open. Let me close it. Guys, it's Christmas tomorrow. Guess we forgot to buy mayonnaise. This is the only mayonnaise we have. Yo, hi. I hope there's nothing that needs mayonnaise tomorrow, but I don't know. I also bought beetroot because, guys, I am not making beetroot from scratch. This is the beetroot that people are gonna have, I think. But honestly, no ways. It's so messy, so this is it. The vegetables, I wash them first, but some stuff I don't want to take out of the plastic, the original packaging. But I just made sure everything is clean. I have to put the cherry tomatoes here and the green beans. I hate green beans, honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. Wow. Here are the fruits, washed and clean. I had to put these ones in the plastic because this is why. Let me eat that. Nice and fresh. Really good. Guys, I love avocado so much. I'm obsessed. Maybe I should have them now because I don't know what to eat actually. I have to put them here. Actually, no. Guys, I know my phone takes nice pictures and videos, but sometimes I just want to see for myself. I just finished cleaning right now and I was recording. Ew, guys, the other reason why I've switched to using my phone is because my battery's my camera's battery is dying. It needs to be charged. Guys, this bonnet stays on, and my braids, they're not heavy, but the what's this? The band is like hanging here.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you more. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
She looks like a baby. She's a small baby, yes, she's very small.
Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone, tell me where you be, cause I got.
Thank you so much. Sorry for taking too much of your time, eh?
Which one is she?
No, she's not by the door, not that one.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you. Ooh.
Or should I say your date?
Hey. Hi guys. I hope I look pretty. I can't even see because my screen is dim. Forgot my mask in the car. I'm already mad. My eyebrows don't even look straight. But it's fine. My little sisters, they've went to get me a mask at Woolies or is it Pick and Pay? So I'm just gonna wait here until they come back. Yeah.
Cause I made reservations, too many invitations.
Hey guys, so I'm on Bongie's YouTube video. Guys, I know a famous person, let me tell you. When I repost, I'm like, yes, I know her exactly. Look at how pretty you look and I love your nails. Thank you.
It was 50,000 just for the doctor to give it.
Guys, by the way, my makeup, I don't like how it looks.
It looks so good.
No, I did it in a rush. I looked orange and I say I'm dying. Anyways, guys, professional cameras are not allowed.
Why?
I'm gonna ask him why. He didn't say. He didn't say why. I was saying that these are the bags that I bought for these two pretty women. They cannot put them down. This one is carrying her life. It's carrying her life, bruh. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello. What are your fans called? Yeah.
I don't have a name for them. Everyone keeps asking me. I don't have a name. There you go.
Have a name for them.
Ooh, it looks yummy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I know your body, I know your heart. Your eyes told me from the start, but then you fall back. Giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use.
I am holding two forks. I thought like is it mushroom sauce? I love mushroom sauce so much. Prawns. Just one taste. This thing is so small. And it's 105. I wish we didn't have to go home. I don't want to go and cook. You don't have work? You said you don't have work? I don't have to go home and cook. Because I was studying here. Ask her what she was doing.
And then she was yelling.
So guys, we've been here for an hour maybe.
Yeah, an
With
hour.
ate and everything. The vibe is nice.
We're just gonna chill.
Yeah, but they also want dessert. Guys, we're full. Like, the plates are empty. Hey, pizza your food. Anyways, guys, I really don't like my makeup. I feel orange, but Kissy said it's nice.
It's nice. It's not, I also look orange.
You're yellow bone, duh.
No, but I think it's the camera.
Oh, so you're saying my camera makes us look orange?
No,
We'll see
like-
when we're outside. Anyways, yeah.
Anyone else getting dessert?
Then there's this one. Who doesn't want to smile in
Yes,
camera?
dessert. We're here for that.
No, no.